Yeah, their boss just rocking me fancy new fucking Ray-Bans here, just brand new out, and fucking knows not too many baddies got them, right? Probably the only one up here in Alberta wearing them, because I'm pretty quick, right? There's not too many fucking flies on me, see? Anyways, boss, don't be fucking hating, boy. You can get them online, boss. Settle fuck down. Anyways, the roast chicken chips up here in Alberta, but you can't fucking find them anywhere, right? You seize them, and they're out for 2 fucking weeks, and then they're fucking gone for 9 fucking months, right? It's like fucking John Efforts up here with a fucking moratorium on the fucking roast chicken chips, for fuck's sake. And he goes into fucking Max, and you're like, holy fuck, boys, roast fucking chicken chips, man. You gotta buy 27 fucking bags, and everyone's looking at you like you're fucking retarded out of it, right? You're up the fucking counter, and you're like, buddy, what the fuck, you gawking at? No, don't be fucking gawking. Step back, look, get at me, I'll fucking tear your head off. I got 27 fucking kids, man. Settle the fuck down, man. And you can't get a fucking pineapple crush, right? You gotta go all the way down to fucking Murray Brown's down there to get a fucking pineapple crush. It costs you $12 in fucking gas. And you get down there, it's $4 a fucking can. You gotta buy a whole fucking flat. Boys are coming over and they're like, fuck, buddy, I got fucking pineapple crush line. You're like, yeah, fuck. They're like, yeah, give us fucking can, man. You're like, yeah, fuck, $2, pal. Right? You can't get fucking essence fucking vinegar up there at all, right? You're like down with the fucking Sobeys down there, and you're like, hey buddy, listen, got any of that fucking brown vinegar? And he's like, oh yeah, that malt vinegar. And you're like, no, fuck, nobody's eating fucking malt vinegar, man. Fucking, it's like stinky fucking feet out of it. Fucking English or fucking wolfing it down over, right? But they don't brush their fucking teeth, sure. Puts fucking toothpaste on a fucking cracker and they'll eat days, right? But they don't have to brush their teeth every week. You can't get fucking essence, right? It's in a fucking little tiny bottle. I can go around the next fucking aisle in the Sobeys and they got fucking Japanese fucking shit and Chinese shit and fucking stuff from India and fucking Pakistan, right? You're looking at that and you're like, who the fuck's eating that fucking dirt? Right? If I was on the fucking Fear Factor and that was in a fucking bowl, I'd be like, Joe Rogan, you might as well fucking edit this out right now and go smoke your big fucking bowl, cause I ain't fucking eating that shit. Holy fuck, man. And fucking they makes the fucking roast chicken chips in the fucking same place they makes the fucking pretzels and the fucking cheesies and the salt and vinegar and the fucking sour cream and onion and the fucking ketchup and all these is dressed out of it, right? Holy fuck. It makes the fucking pineapple crush at the same place they makes the fucking Pepsi, right? You can't fucking get it. You go down the fucking Max, they got fucking 18 different kinds of fucking vitamin waters and fucking coconut waters and fucking just flavored water, right? They got like 4,000 fucking drinks in the cooler, but put them in the fucking cooler, but holy fuck, right? You can fucking put them in a fucking truck or put them in a boat and fucking, you can fly that shit up. They get all their shit from fucking Pakistan, fucking India and China. It's like fucking all around the other side of the fucking world, but fucking Newfoundland's just down the fucking road, there, holy fuck. You can put them on the fucking shelf, but put the fucking roast chicken on the fucking shelf, but leave them there all fucking year, what the fuck? They won't go fucking bad, right? They go bad, fucking, you can give them to the fucking poor, but fucking, the poor fucking eat them, but they'll fucking eat them, they'll eat them. Anyways, boys, see you bye now.